Hello, hi everyone. It's M here with you, presenting you my another exciting DIY creation, which is a candle stand. So, being obsessed with antique candle stands, let's start making it from a plastic bottle. And this was initially a pickle bottle, so I thought of reusing it. After marking specific points on this bottle and drawing the whole design on this bottle, using this mini grinding machine for making holes. Heating these sharp blades for cutting plastic is, indeed the best trick to work as quick as possible. There you go. Now my design is all ready, and now I'm just trying to do slight buffing on these sharp edges, so they might not hurt my fingers. So I'm just doing this slight buffing now.
Let's go.
After completing this grinding process and the whole cutting process, you can easily see there is no harm to the shape of the bottle. The cover can easily be closed, it can easily be opened. I'm fixing this cover upside down on this bottle with hot glue gun. So now I'm going to cover this whole bottle with polymer clay, my favorite polymer clay. I'm just trying to make some rough patterns of this polymer clay, just to give it a rough look. As you can see, I have spread polymer clay unevenly on the top of this cover, and now on the top I have put a small tiny little old cup.
Let's go.
Now this is the look which I get after putting so much polymer clay on this bottle. So I'm going to paint it now. There you go. Now you can clearly see that I have used brown paint on this bottle. It's fully dried. I used a brown spray paint. Now I am using this cone. This is actually a 3D liner. It's a homemade 3D liner. I took 2 cups of baby powder and added 1 cup of white glue, and this is simple school glue. You can use any all-purpose glue, but the ratio is 2:1, so you get a nice thick consistency, like you can say like a toothpaste. And I added, now it sounds funny, but I added my bronze eyeshadow in it just to give it a nice bronze shimmery look, or maybe a glowing look. It's difficult for me to explain, and it also maybe you cannot see the real look in these lights, but definitely later on, by the end of this project, you will see the glow of this liner. I just loved it. It actually gave an antique look on this bottle. I call it antique. You can also give me your opinion as well. this stage it looks like a candle stand now. We don't call it a bottle now, we will call it a candle stand. So spreading more golden glow, spreading more beads, putting more beads on the corners of on the edges of the cup, you know, we could not the corners, just edges of this cup, and more beads, more glue for more glowy look. And there you go, with very gentle and loose hands, gently painting this bottle with some golden paint. It's a bright golden color, not a dull golden. It's bright golden, but spread it very gently, just for a shade, not for the color, just for the slight shade.
Let's go.
Now using geotrope is absolutely the final step of this candle stand, and keep watching it. And for your appreciation, for more love, please like, subscribe and share my channel. If you really like my creativity, please show some love, and thank you so much. Keep watching and just wait for the final results now. This is the last step.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.